What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It's about an hour before this location is about to close, so it's super quiet in here. It's the perfect time for us to look around together. Hopefully, I'll find even more new items. In my last video, I found these face masks. They're the cloth face masks, and I found tons of new Halloween items, including cute themed Halloween items. So definitely go back and watch my very last video if you guys missed it. Vinyl paper. This is the stuff used with crickets, I believe. I'm always seeing people post content about how happy they were that they found things at Dollar Tree that they could actually use on their cricket. The various tools. My other location had some other tools that I thought would be perfect for that as well. So quiet. You guys have been with me a long time, so we can have our comfortable silence, can't we? I think we're to that point. I like coming to Dollar Tree this time of night. It might just be you and a couple other shoppers. And it's really peaceful. These are still here. The On tablet folio cases. In my other video today, I'm not sure if it was during my live or not. No, I don't think it was during my live, but they had the On little stylus, the ones that look like pens. They were like cheetah printed and stuff like that. And they were over by all the earbuds and the pop sockets and stuff like that. I was hoping to find some more of those pretty sponges. It was like a lilac color, and it was kind of sparkly. It was a 3-pack like this, but it was like a pretty green, a lilac, and a light blue. I think this foam carpet refresher is new. We also have little flashlight waist bag sets for our pets. Good combo. The two definitely go together. Lots of cute bowls. I think some of these are new. These are little 2-packs. 2 packs of cleaning towels. These are microfiber cleaning towels. We have the white and green combo. And then we also have, is this a single? Oh, this is a single blue. I thought maybe we were gonna have a couple different combos. In my other location, I was seeing a couple different products under the Baby Love brand. That's definitely name brand. All the scarves. This location has some of the gold toe socks. The bum equipment socks. That was a pretty regular brand we used to see in the 90s. And over here behind me, look you guys, still spotting these after about a month. I hope everyone that wanted one got one. I was able to get some extras and share them with my parents. And they told me, yep, we filled up all the soap dispensers around the house. Those are nice because they're 55 ounces. Oh, these are back. The Desange Paris Purifying Clay Mask. Balancing System Pre-Shampoo Mask with Mineral Clay. My other location had the Sally Hansen Argan Oil Formula polishes. Navy, purple, and red. This is my first time seeing these. It's nowhere close to Father's Day, but the little ceramic cup stickers, that's my second time seeing one in the store. Just put a sticker on Dad's cup. No need to buy him another cup, right? These are some pretty colors, aren't they? The Wispy Dramatics. A little disappointing. No new makeup. Oh well. The cotton candy blow pops are here. How many do we get? 5 in a bag. Definitely new. I have someone requesting gummy skulls to be melted on the wax melt burner over on my Bunny Birdy Gator wax melt burner series on TikTok. Now that I have a second channel and a second TikTok and a second Instagram, I have to differentiate when I talk about doing other things. Because I know some of you might be new and you're like, what are you talking about? So if you want to check out my other channel, it's Bunny Birdy Gator ASMR. Also Bunny Birdy Gator ASMR on TikTok and Instagram. Okay, you guys, well, I think that's all I'm gonna film in here. I'm gonna look down like a couple more aisles and see if there's anything else I wanna share, but I think that might be it. So far, I've just found these, and that's okay. Sometimes I get way too much stuff every time I'm here. Someone has a list. I don't know what kind of list that is, but oh, one thing that Birdy has been loving from here are the pita pockets or the pita breads. She really likes them. We all had them. We had them for dinner one night. We couldn't really cut them open and stuff them, but they were really delicious. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't joined the Bunny Birdy Gator family yet, please just go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe and join the family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.